Former Meghalaya legislator and strong advocate of corruption-free society, Shri A.M Basaiawmoit today launched the online registration for all those persons who wants to join his organization named Revolution Yadari. The aim of this organization is to initiate a people's movement for the protection of the Hinyo tribe community, including corruption-free society. The online and offline registration will ensure the seriousness of the members and documentation of the organization's activities for future posterity. While regretting that many important people who had made extreme sacrifices during the Hill State movement did not figure in the history of Meghalaya due to the lack of proper documentation, Shri Basaiawmoit said he would not like to see that the same thing would occur with regard to his movement. Addressing the print and electronic media at Shillong Press Club, Shri Basaiawmoit said the aims and objectives of this organization is for strengthening the families of the community, including revival of ethics and other traditional values. Basaiawmoit also said that this organization will take up other issues affecting the society like boundary issues, clean politics and corruption that is plaguing the state.
Purpose of this press conference. And today we will launch the link, and this link will be shared in the social media platform and in the WhatsApp, so that the people will come to know about this link and get themselves registered with the Revolution Yadalakari. Starting this online registration, however, we are also of the opinion that we will be providing an offline registration also for those who cannot get access to the online registration. No, as of now, we have not decided to keep any deadline, but definitely we will be looking into it. How do we go for this registration? Maybe we can bring in a batch wise, so that we can, maybe the first batch will be within a week, second batch like that, no? So that we can get a chance to interact with those who register themselves with us. I think I had to mention this time and again that the objective of this revolution is to bring about a complete change in our community and in our state as a whole. And we had also tried our level best to highlight these issues in the form of a pamphlets, where we have just recently released those pamphlets and highlight in that pamphlet list of agendas and issues, so that the people will get to understand better about the objective of this revolution, where we have highlighted how do we strengthen ourselves by, as the saying goes, charity begins at home. So we want to start this from our families, then we will come to the village level, then we will deal with the unity of the community, and we will continue to highlight the importance of clean politics and how do we revive again the good virtues of the castes as a community. These are the issues that we have mentioned in our pamphlets.